Are you seeking further clarity on the updated KYC guidelines? Let us understand the concept in simple terms. KYC or Know Your Customer is the process financial institutions use to verify a customer's identity and address when opening an account. It involves providing a valid ID, address proof, and in-person verification. KYC compliance is required by the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 and its associated rules. Now, let us understand the latest KYC guidelines. If your KYC status is KYC validated, you can invest in any or all mutual funds. If your KYC status is KYC registered, you can only invest in mutual funds where you have existing investments and folios. To invest in mutual funds where you do not have a relationship, you need to submit a KYC form and supporting documents along with the investment application. For KYC status of rejected or on hold, you will not be able to make purchases or redemptions until you modify your KYC status. Now, let us check your KYC status first.
Log in into cvlkra.com. Go to KYC inquiry from menu bar. Enter PAN, select CAPTCHA and submit the request. You can see your KYC status in one of the KRAs. In this example, the PAN is registered with NDML KRA. Prerequisites to complete the process online. You need Aadhaar copy, signature on white blank paper, DigiLocker account credentials, desktop, laptop, mobile access with a webcam. How to validate your KYC? Visit our website
www.edelweissmf.com.
Click on Login from top right corner. Enter your PAN, enter CAPTCHA and click on Begin Now. If you are a new investor to Edelweiss Mutual Fund, you will be directly taken to the KYC validation process. In case you are existing investor of mutual fund, let us log in. Enter either email ID, mobile number or date of birth for two-factor authentication and click on Proceed button. Enter OTP. OTP is sent to your email, SMS and WhatsApp. Click on Login Now button. You will be logged in your account. Now go to your profile name from top right corner. Click on Re-KYC from drop down. Your name and PAN number will be pre-filled on the screen. Enter date of birth, mobile number, email ID. Enter CAPTCHA and check terms and conditions. Click on Proceed button. Enter OTP received in email and SMS. Click on Submit button and proceed to next page.
We recommend to complete your KYC through DigiLocker platform.
Click on Proceed button. Check the declaration and click on Submit button. You will be directed to DigiLocker login page. Go to Aadhaar section. We recommend you to use Aadhaar mode of sign-in over mobile and username. Enter Aadhaar number and click on Next button. Enter OTP sent on mobile number. Submit CAPTCHA, check declaration and click on Submit button. You need to enter 6-digit PIN number. Belongs to DigiLocker. In case you do not remember the PIN number, click on Forget Security PIN and set the PIN. Click on Submit button. Check details fetched from DigiLocker. Verify and click on Allow button to provide your consent to share the details for KYC validation. You will be directed to the page to take picture. Make sure your desktop, laptop or mobile has access to camera before capturing the picture. Enter the verification code. Now take the picture. Look straight in the camera and your face should be clearly visible in the frame. On next page, you need to fill your basic details like father and spouse name, mother's name, gender, marital status and occupation. Scroll down and click on Save and Continue button. Now you will be directed to upload documents. Select signature as a document type. Now you can either upload or capture signature. We recommend please capture signature using camera. Make signature on blank white paper and hold a signature in front of camera and capture it. Next click on Upload button. In next window, you need to proceed to e-sign the document. Select mode of receiving OTP, that is mobile or email. Next, click on Preview Application button. Review the application details, check the declaration and click on Confirm button. Your application PDF document is getting ready. Wait for few seconds. Once PDF is ready, you will be taken to next window to authenticate. Click on Send code to mobile number. Enter OTP. Click on Submit button. Review the PDF generated. Scroll down the page and click on Sign Now button. You will be redirected to NSDL. Please hold. Enter Aadhaar number and then check the declaration. Click on Send OTP button. OTP sent to your mobile number linked to Aadhaar. Enter OTP and click on Verify and Sign button. Your KYC application is submitted successfully. Please do not close the window till your application is available for download. Now please check your email for confirmation. In case you are dropped in between the process, restart the process from beginning and resume application using reference number received in email.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.